Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your cat on Cat's Airdrop and also earn some rewards. So in this video we're going to go through this quickly. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now you want to click on your avatar, and from here you will see an option to upgrade your cat. So you want to go ahead and click on it. Now you will see that you can snap and share your cat photos daily. You can get rewarded when the system detects a cat in your photo, and use your earned points to level up your avatar. So you can go ahead and upload your cat, and just like so, you will be able to improve it. As you can see, there is some coming soon stuff in the future. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can upgrade your cat avatar and get rewards. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.